Imagine this. You have 10 seconds to prove you're someone worth noticing. That's it. 10 seconds. And your body has already spoken before you even open your mouth. Most people completely ignore this power, and it costs them opportunities every single day. Every tiny detail broadcasts who you are. The tilt of your head, how you walk into a room, even the way your eyes scan your surroundings. Think you can hide behind words? Wrong. Your posture, your energy, your motion. It's like an invisible billboard showing your personality instantly. Watch people in a crowd. Some radiate confidence. Some seem invisible. Some attract attention without trying. And most of us, we act as if nobody notices. We fix our sentences, not our presence. That's the blind spot nobody talks about. Yet it defines every first impression. Even something as simple as standing tall, shoulders back, chest open, instantly makes you appear confident and approachable. Here's the crazy part. Your body tells a story your brain can't control. Micro-expressions, subtle gestures, even your breathing rhythm give away trustworthiness, mood, ambition, and intent. People decide in the first few seconds whether they want to engage with you before you even speak. Think of it this way. Your face is a stage, your posture is the script, and your motion is the performance. Most people perform unconsciously, letting their influence slip away because they focus on what they say, not how they exist. Try this. Slow down your movements. Quick, jerky gestures scream anxiety. Controlled, deliberate motion communicates authority. And when interacting with someone, mirror their posture or energy subtly. It creates a subconscious sense of rapport that draws people in without a single word. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If you ignore your presence, you're already losing. You don't need perfect words, fancy titles, or rehearsed lines. The moment you walk into a room, your essence speaks louder than anything you say. Those who master this, they aren't smarter, louder, or richer. They just understand existence as your first impression, and it cannot be faked. Even something as simple as making eye contact, not too long, not too short, shows you're fully engaged. It's subtle, almost invisible, but unforgettable. That tiny detail alone can completely shift the way people respond to you. So next time you meet someone, remember, you have 10 seconds to reveal who you really are. How will your presence speak? Forgettable or unforgettable? Start practicing now. Stand taller, move deliberately, notice the micro signals in others, and watch how quickly you change the way people respond to you. If you want to start noticing the signals most people completely miss, subscribe for more insights that open your eyes to life's hidden truths.